The Japanese press is taking a seemingly bold attitude toward the United States today.
Great Britain goes down.
Following the announcement of the Three Power Alliance.
Will control the continent.
Men and women of Australia, we are at war with Japan.
I was one of the first people in Australia to have heard the story of the Krait. And I found it very hard to control my voice as I made my plea to hear the name of every man read aloud. That every man who went on that voyage deserved the Victoria Cross. I am full of gratitude and pride for the men who went on this voyage, for all their selfless devotion and heroism. They've given us the tradition that will last as long as time will last. The men who went on the Krait.